If someone were to ask you, what was the one decision that changed the map of the world forever? You might mention various wars or revolutions, but the truth is that the Louisiana Purchase of 1803 had even deeper and far-reaching effects. At that time, the United States was a small country limited to the East Coast, and its eyes were fixed on the West, where a vast territory was occupied by France. The territory of Louisiana stretched from the Mississippi River to the Rocky Mountains, and this territory was so large that it changed the balance of North America. The United States only wanted to buy the port of New Orleans to secure trade routes, but Napoleon Bonaparte, who was at that time involved in the wars in Europe and was in a financial crisis, suddenly offered to sell the entire Louisiana Territory for just $15 million. Imagine, for just a few cents per acre, the area of the United States almost doubled. This was not only a game of geography, but also a new turn on the chessboard of world politics. Thomas Jefferson, who was president at the time, seized the opportunity and decided that it would be a revolutionary step for the future of America. Some call this treaty Jefferson's greatest achievement because it not only expanded the United States, but also laid the foundation for making it a powerful country. However, this is not just a story of progress and prosperity, but also of suffering and loss for Native American tribes. As America moved westward, Native American lands were taken away, their civilization and culture were suppressed, and the treaty became a tragedy for them. That is why today's historians consider the Louisiana Purchase a double-edged sword: progress, an opportunity for America on the one hand, and ruin for Native Americans on the other. But in terms of world politics, this treaty was not just between the United States and France. It was a story of the decline of European influence and the rise of the United States. If France had occupied the region, the United States might never have become so powerful as it did, and perhaps the global balance today would be different. Modern historians debate why Napoleon made this decision. Some say he had no other choice because he needed money urgently for the wars in Europe. Others say he knew it was impossible to save the region because Britain's naval power could take it away at any time. It was a bold decision for Jefferson too, because the U.S. Constitution did not explicitly allow for land purchases, but he took the step anyway, saying that future generations would be proud of it. And indeed, when we look back today, the Louisiana Purchase is one of America's greatest strategic achievements. It opened the way for Western expansion, gave birth to new states, and transformed America into a continental power. The question is, what lesson can we learn from this story? Perhaps it is that some decisions in history are made in the moment, but their effects last for generations. A single decision can change the map of the world forever, and the Louisiana Purchase is the clearest example of this. So the next time you look at a world map, think about how different America, and perhaps the entire world, would be today if this deal hadn't happened in 1803.